All right, this is the second video with Map Explorer maps, and I'm going to show how you play the game using the customized questions. So we've just explored the map, we found the 6 pins, we know the 4 roads that run north to south, and we know the 3 roads that run east to west. So to start the game, to start the questions, is going to be a 2-finger double tap, and that's what I'm going to do now. 2 fingers double tap.
What region of the map is Kevin's house?
All right, so the screen went dark. If I drag my finger around the screen, I can still hear the street intersections, but I'm not hearing any of the pins. The first question was a region question, so there's 4 different types of questions. The first one that popped up randomly this time is about the region. It said, what region is Kevin's house? So with the region, think of dividing the map into 4 equal sections. And so we have the northwest, the northeast, the southwest, and the southeast. I'm trying to figure out where Kevin's house is. I know it's in that top right-hand corner of my map, so I can touch anywhere in that northeast region and I will get a correct answer. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna double tap in the northeast region.
You earned 1,000 points.
Woohoo!
Find Kevin's house.
Oh, now I have to find Kevin's house. And if I remember, Kevin's house is on the north-south road of Johnston Street. So let's look in that northeast region.
Johnston Street.
There it is. All right, I'm dragging a little bit in a circle so I can find
Johnston Street.
There it
Johnston
is.
Street.
Now I hear my hum. I'm gonna go up.
Intersection of Johnston Street and West Salisbury Street.
Okay, so I know John's house is
Johnston
close to the top, close to West Salisbury, so I'm going to go off to the right just a little bit, which is where I found it before, off of Johnston Street and below West Salisbury Street, and then I'm going to double tap.
You earned 989 points.
Now let's see where it was.
All right, so I want to get 1,000 points if I can. I'm pretty doggone close. So normally the first time through, it'll announce that you drag your finger around until you hear the beeps, and the faster the beeps, the closer you are to where Kevin's house will be. Up there, I just touched it,
Find
so it did.
64, also known as West Street.
Ah, Highway 64 is also known as West Street. I know that's an east-west road, and it's going to be
64.
Right around there, so just about in the middle of the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead, I found it, it's humming, and I'm gonna double tap right there.
You earned 1,000 points. Find the intersection of 64 and McClanahan.
The intersection, so that's another type of question. I'm looking for 64 McClanahan, which I know is gonna be
64.
about in the center.
McClanahan. Intersection of McClanahan and 64.
So when I'm close like that, I just barely move my finger around until I hear the intersection. I'm gonna go off and back again.
Intersection of McClanahan and 64.
And now I'm gonna double tap.
You earned 1,000 points.
Now let's see where it was.
Oh, well, I was right on it. There we go.
Find the intersection of 64 and Johnston Street.
64 in Johnston Street. So let's see if I can find 64. I'm going to drag right because I'm in the middle of the screen.
Intersection of Johnston Street and 64.
All right.
64.
And I'm going to double tap there.
You earned 987 points.
Now let's see where it was.
So I wasn't,
You found it.
there we go. I wasn't quite on it
Find
that time.
Pittsboro Elementary School Road.
Pittsboro Elementary School Road. So now remember, I have a region is one kind of question. Intersection is one kind of question. Find a road is another kind of question. And with that, I just have to find anywhere on that road. Doesn't have to be a specific point on the road. The 4th type of question is a pin, and I have to find about, as close as I can get to that pin. So this time I'm looking for Pittsboro Elementary School Road. I know it's down in the bottom of the map. See how I'm getting this mental map going? Let's see. I'm dragging.
Pittsboro Elementary School Road.
There we go, and I'm just gonna double tap on that.
You earned 1,000 points.
Ooh, I'm
Find the
good.
baseball field.
Baseball field. So I know it is on Pittsboro Elementary School Road,
Pittsboro Elementary School Road.
and it's towards the left before I get to the next road.
Intersection of Farrell Street and Pittsboro Elementary School Road.
So the baseball field is
Pittsboro
before
Elementary
Farrell.
School Road.
I'm going to go just off of Pittsboro Elementary School Road. It was just a little bit north.
You earned 985 points.
Now let's see where it was.
You found it. What street is the baseball field on?
Oh, what street is the baseball field on? I know that's Pittsboro Elementary School Road, so anywhere there.
Pittsboro Elementary School Road. You earned 1,000 points. What region of the map is the baseball field?
It's in the northwest region, so I can touch anywhere in that region and double tap.
You earned 1,000 points. What street is the tennis courts on?
Ah, the tennis courts. That's above Pittsboro Elementary School, and it's on McClellan Street, so let's see.
Pittsboro Elementary School Road. Pittsboro Elementary School Road. Intersection of McClanahan and Pittsboro Elementary School Road.
I'm going to go up McClellan.
McClanahan.
And I'm going to go up just a little bit and off to the right and double tap.
You earned 959 points. You found all the locations.
Play 3 games. 30 XP earned. You scored 9,920 points.
Okay, so I have set it up that I have about 30 questions for this map, and I have asked to have 10 questions per game. So I can play it again, and I would get another 10 questions that are completely random, so they may not even be any that overlap with the game that I just played.